This is how my hair looks like. Black and shining hair. Now, let me show you 3 ingredients that I use in my hair journey. The first one is clove. And I think I show you, I don't know. Okay, and the second one is fenugreek. Let me show you how it looks like. Alright, this is fenugreek. And the third one is rosemary. All these ingredients I use in this video are dried one, and I will be adding them into a bowl. Then I use 1 spoon, each of the herbs 1 spoon. Then I will be blending them together. I love to make my herbs in powdered form. In my own preference, I believe it will infuse thoroughly. So I don't like to use my herbs directly. I blend them and it works for me. So I had the rosemary, clove and the fenugreek now. So what I will be doing next is to blend. Please note, this is the powdered form now. I blended it off camera and I'll be adding, and here is shea butter. So I'll be adding my shea butter into this clean jar now. So my own advice for whoever that want to do this is to use a separate blender. Don't use a blender which you have been using to blend pepper and all those things when you are making your hair journey. So I have my powdered rosemary, clove and the fenugreek now. And in my jar I added shea butter. So I'll be adding the powdered herbs now, which consist of the 3 herbs, the rosemary, the fenugreek and the cloves. So you can use the double boiling method, but for me this water is hot. Is a boil. I have a boiled water already here, and I will just heat it for the shea butter to be melted, then allow it to rest for 24 hours. That's how I made this one. You can do it directly on your stove. Now I'll be adding my olive oil. Just for more shining. So I will be sieving it for the oil to be separated from the chaff. So in my own preference, I will not be pressing it. I will just allow it to drain until I notice no oil is coming out again. So and after that, I will just put it into my refrigerator for just 2 hours. And by that time, it will be solidified. Now 2 hours later, here is my oil. It's solidified already. Then I will be using my hand mixer to do the job. Just whip it, make it soft, and here is what I have. You can make yours bigger than this, but I just go for this small quantity. This is all I have at home, just for me to make my hair butter, and it's fine and it works perfectly. So I have air conditioner on my hair already, so I will not be adding this. I just time it, I cover my hair, so I will just be adding this on my hand just for you to see how shiny it is. And after that, I will be adding my hair butter, and I see you next time. Bye.